Hello, today you join us in Tintwistle in Derbyshire, just north of Glossop. We're going to go and see a waterfall, an old viaduct and some other bits and pieces. Come on!
If you're lucky, you can park near the fishing club. You can also pay to park at Crossgate campsite. Follow the road until you get to the track.
You do know you could just go through the gate, don't you?
After a cloudy start this morning, it's turned out to be beautiful weather again. Not too hot, as you can see. I'm wearing a long sleeve top and I'm anticipating the higher we go, the cooler it'll get.
It didn't, in fact. We both got a little sunburn by the end of the day. The river is barely noticeable in this clip. A little later, a local woman explained they'd had little rain for months and that the river was usually much fuller.
Warming up nicely now, taking my long sleeve top off. We're going to turn left now and come off the main path. To the left is the river, so I'm guessing we're heading towards the waterfall. This path is really rocky, which obviously is a bit of a hazard, but more so right next to you is a barbed wire fence, so be cautious. I can hear the sound of rushing water. We must be getting closer to something.
As we sat and ate our lunch, we spotted movement up by the waterfall. As I moved closer, I spotted birds flitting in and out of the tumbling water. I set up my equipment and waited. Grey wagtails. Seeing the birds was a real bonus to the day.
My top is now Nikki's feet towel.
We started walking again, towards the defunct Aqueduct as the sun beat down, getting hotter and hotter, only the wind keeping it a bearable temperature.
We got to the top of the first major climb, but there's much more to come. Look. Oh, look. There's the aqueduct. Time to start heading up again, but I would imagine we're going to get some spectacular views at the top. Hard work, but we're getting there and the views will be worth it. Let's just stop and enjoy the view for a minute, shall we? I'm not sure if you can see it behind me, but between the two peaks we can see some high rises. Presumably it's Manchester. So we're back at the aqueduct. We went up onto the top of the hill to see the views, but then we accidentally lost the path. But we were able to use Komoot to work out where we were, and we ended up heading for the Hawker crash site, but there was no real sign of it, so we gave up. So if you don't want to do those two things, maybe when you get to the aqueduct you just turn around and head back to the waterfalls. That's where we're going now, and from there we'll continue the rest of the route. going up that hill and coming down that hill has done a number on my arthritic left ankle. So we've decided, now that we're back at the waterfalls, that we're just gonna, sadly we're gonna not do the second half of the walk because it was quite steep in places. So we're just heading back the way we came on the original path, back to our car. If you've enjoyed this route more than us, if you've enjoyed this route, then there's a link down below in the description and you can follow it on my Komoot account. If you've enjoyed watching the video today and joining us on our walk, then please like, subscribe, maybe drop me a comment, tell me the things that you've liked, maybe tell me the things you haven't liked. What would you like to see more of? What would you like to see less of? Be kind though, and yeah, we'll see you next week when the next video is out on Wednesday. Thanks for joining us today on our walk, and see you then. Ta-ra.